How to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on a device. Now navigate to your home screen first. Make sure that you have logged into your account. And now you need to tap Messenger icon at top right to access your chat section. Open particular chat and let's try sending a message to this person. To delete this message from both sides, you can long press on the message and tap on send. Now tap on send and this will remove the message for everyone. People may have seen or forwarded it already. Now tap on send. Now come back. And now you can tap and hold on your particular chat and then tap delete and then tap delete button. Now this will delete Instagram chats from both sides permanently. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.